Hey, welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. We have another cool blues progression for you today. This one is a blues in A. It's called Little by Little by Susan Tedeschi. I have a link included in my description if you want to go have a listen to it. And the backing track is also, there's a link in my description as well. If you want to download it, then you can play along with that tune. So the backing track is not exactly Susan Tedeschi's version, but you can play that lick over it quite nicely. So I'm kind of improvising a little bit, so maybe I'm not playing exactly like in the Tedeschi track, but that's the way it goes. I play this in a band, and that's the way I play it. So, and it's pretty close to what's happening in that original video. So let's go listen. Okay, let's break down little by little. Okay? This is the main riff that is played throughout the song. So basically we start on A, 5th fret E string. Then we play the 7th fret on the A string. Then we're going to play the 5th fret on the D string. So always twice. Then 7th fret D string, and then a pull off. So pull off, back to 5th fret D, and then back to the A string 7th fret. So that's fairly simple, right? And of course you're going to have to do that slow first, but eventually you'll get that riff no problem. It's also very good for finger dexterity. The second time around we don't do the pull off. Then we start over again. Then we move down one string. We'll do exactly the same on the A string. Once, and then it goes back up to. Okay, and then it goes into the turnaround. And we play E9. We'll do it 3 times. We play E9 flat or D9 sharp. The 3 chords are E9, D9 sharp, and D9. So because this can either be a sharp or a flat, so I hope you understand that. And an E9 is basically index finger, 6th fret D string, middle finger, 7th fret A string, and then with the ring finger we bar on that 7th fret the G, the B, and the E. 3 times, once. So that's a turnaround. 2, 3. So the lick here we're sliding. So we slide to the 7th on a D, 5th G, bend on the 7th G, hit it twice, and then pull off, back to the 5th on a G, back to the 7th D. So very simple. And then it starts over again. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that little blues shuffle. It's a tune that I like a lot. We play it in my band, and we all love to jam that one, so it's a really cool tune. So enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you soon.